Cross the bridge, understanding the phrase in English. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Our focus is on the phrase, cross the bridge. This seemingly simple phrase carries a lot of weight and is widely used in various contexts. Stick with us to uncover its meanings and applications. Cross the bridge primarily refers to the literal action of going over a bridge. This straightforward meaning is universally understood. However, the intrigue of this phrase lies in its metaphorical use, which we will explore in the sections to follow. In a metaphorical sense, cross the bridge signifies dealing with a problem or facing a situation only when it arrives. It emphasizes not worrying about future issues prematurely. For example, if someone says, "We will cross that bridge when we come to it," they mean they will not worry about a potential problem until it becomes actual. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations to calm concerns or to prevent unnecessary worry about future events. It's a way of advising someone to focus on the present and deal with future problems at the appropriate time. There are variations of this phrase like, "Cross that bridge when we come to it," or "Cross that bridge when we get there." All these variations hold the same core meaning and are used interchangeably. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is well recognized and is often used in both personal and professional settings. It reflects a pragmatic approach to life and decision-making, highlighting a culture that values dealing with issues as they arise. Cross the bridge is a versatile phrase in the English language, offering both literal and metaphorical meanings. It's a reminder to focus on the present and handle future problems when, and if, they occur. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, cross your bridges when you get to them.